For the Saudi-UAE coalition in Yemen, the series of airstrikes was a successful operation targeting Houthi military installations in the capital Sana'a. But these pictures depict another reality. Residents say the attacks targeted mainly civilian areas and that an entire family was buried under the rubble.
It is very clear that what happened this morning here in Sana'a was a response to the Houthi drone attacks on the oil facilities in Riyadh. It is very clear, but unfortunately it was completely blind response, because it resulted only in killing women and children in the residential area.
The escalation comes a few days after the Houthis attacked an oil pipeline near the Saudi capital Riyadh using 7 drones. It's the most daring military operation by the Houthis since the start of the war 4 years ago, and a sign of their growing military capabilities. The Saudi-UAE coalition remains adamant. It says its military campaign in Yemen will continue until Houthi military installations are destroyed. These are Houthi fighters. At the moment, they opened fire on what they say was a Saudi drone. They remain defiant despite the prolonged conflict.
We will repair the drone and will hopefully fly it once again over Saudi Arabia, Israel and the US.
On the ground, hope generated by a Houthi withdrawal from the port city of Hodeidah is fading. There's fighting on the outskirts of the city, raising concerns of a deepening humanitarian crisis. Hodeidah port, the main entry point for food imports and aid, is a lifeline for millions of Yemenis threatened by starvation. In the south, there's more fighting around the city of Dalia. Government troops backed by the Saudis are struggling to push back a Houthi offensive. UN envoy Martin Griffiths has warned the United Nations Security Council the recent escalation might damage a fragile peace deal. Hashim Al-Bara, Al Jazeera.